Good morning, everyone. You are in my kitchen. This is Stephanie, and this is a Sunday morning where it's been raining outside and it's going to get colder, and it's just one of those days that you just want to have something good to eat and kind of relax all day, even though I'm not, but I'm going to have something good to eat in the morning because it's Sunday for a change. Okay. Thank you all for coming. Thank you all for subscribing. Thank you all for being there. Appreciate all of you. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some bacon in my air fryer, which you will see a video of that. And I'm going to make some banana pecan pancakes. That's what we're having for breakfast. So I had to prepare this last night, sort of, so I don't have all the stuff to do in the morning. And believe me, I just got up. It's the only time I could kind of rest. But I'm going to make put the bacon in first, okay? So, but I got a 3-day weekend this weekend, so thank you, Jesus, for that. I need it. And thank you, Dr. Martin Luther King, for everything you've done for us. You have paved the way in my life that I know, because I'm old enough to know. So, thank you, Dr. Martin Luther King, Jr. Okay. All right, so I got 5 in here. That should be good. That's good enough. Now, I'm going to put it in my Elite, and I think I'm going to put it in on the second rack. I'm not going to put it on the first rack, on the highest rack. Put that like that so that she can get in. All right. It's going in on 400 at, let's say, 17 minutes. We'll see. I'll check on it. Now I'm going to make me some, I already made some tea. My coffee's going. My coffee's done. Tea is for Perry with lemon and sugar. He's ready. Next thing I'm going to do anyway is I'm going to make some pancakes. In this bowl, I have all-purpose flour. I have sugar. I have baking powder. I have cinnamon, baking soda, and salt. Everything's in this bowl. And I'm going to be using some butter extract. I'm going to use some vanilla extract, and I'm going to use some almond extract. And I crushed up my pecans in my my little food processor, and it's only a few seconds it takes. And there's my pecans, and I got butter, I got eggs, and I set up everything else, and I will list everything at the bottom that I use to make this, so you know, in case I forgot something, okay? But in there, this is all my dry ingredients, and I am definitely whisking this around so I can incorporate it. That's all you gotta do. Next, by the way, I forgot to say that the star of this show is my bananas. I had these bananas in the freezer, and these bananas are thawed out now, and they are ready to be used. So they're nice and sweet. Couldn't get any better than this. As a matter of fact, I'm going to go ahead and put my bananas in my bowl right there. So there we go. Bananas are in. All right. So this is all whisked together, and that's fine. I don't have to do anything else. All the dry ingredients are together. Now I'm going to get the wet ingredients, which is the bananas, and it's going to be well, first of all, I need to smush it. I need a fork. Now I'm going to smush it together. Actually, I just have to almost stir them like whisk them. That's how old they are. Okay, you see what it looks like? That's what they look like when you get them all mixed together. Then I'm going to put an egg in here. Got 1 egg right there. 1 egg. There she go. Then I need this melted, so we'll stick this in here for like 30 seconds, not even. That'll get done. Okay, got the egg in. I don't really need 30 seconds. No, yes I do. The eggs in. This is the extract. This is the extract. All the extracts, plus it has some, what do you call this, vanilla paste in here. So I'm going to stick that in too. Yep, nice and nice and nice. Stick you together, put you in, and it smells heavenly. Extracts make everything good. So I got all that different kinds of extract in here, which I know is going to make a huge difference. And here goes my butter, straight out the microwave. Let it cool for a second. Let that cool for a minute. All right, I'm going to add my butter in. Very, very good. Now, I'm going to take the wet ingredients and put it in the dry ingredients, and I still have to add milk. And I'm going to add milk depending on how thick I want it to really look like. So, but it should be about a cup of milk. So, I'm going to put the wet in with the dry. There you go. And I'm going to mix it together with my good old spurtle. There you go. So that's kind of thick now. I'm going to add some milk. I'm eyeballing it. As I said, I'll leave the amount you should put in here. Put in like what you want. Put some milk in here. You know, I don't usually eat pancakes unless I'm at IHOP, and then I eat some pancakes. I like IHOP's pancakes. I like them because they're nice and fluffy, and they're thin. I don't like a real thick pancake, so I kind of tend to make my pancakes like that. So, and like I said, it's a special day. This actually is Martin Luther King Day weekend. So like I said, I'm off on Monday, and I thank God for that. But I really thank God for Dr. Martin Luther King. I'm telling you, that guy, we went through a whole lot. So I honestly think he's the first guy that talks about not hurting, some peace, getting some peace in the world. And that's exactly what we need right now. We need some peace. Okay, so I'm going to add a little bit more because I just wanted a little thinner. So we'll see. This is probably about a cup that I put in here, though. Okay. And, again, the star of the show, some pecans. I'm going to throw these pecans right up in here. And just add it in a little bit. And get ready to make some pancakes. It should be heavenly. They smell good right now. Okay, just a drop more. And that's that. Okay, I am going to put some butter in my pan, turn my pan on so it can get hot. There we go. Cool. All right. Now when the butter melts, I'm good. Now let me check on my bacon. Turn it over for a sec. Really, I don't need to. I'll leave it. I'll leave it for a few more minutes. Okay, I'll leave it. So I got 8 more minutes. Don't know if I need that much time. All right, the butter is in my pan, melted up nice. I got the heat on medium high, about medium. I got a cup. I don't think I'm going to use that much, probably half of it, but it's easier to get out this way. And I'm going to put some right there. Probably get maybe 3 in here. 2 pancakes. 3 pancakes. Now these ain't going to be pretty, but they're going to be good. And when they get bubbly all around, that's when you know it's time to turn them. Like I said, the heat's about on medium. And then we'll know when it's time to turn them. I'm going to bring these over so I can turn them over a little. Again, I use my fingers. Probably shouldn't do that. Don't do like I do, but I'm just used to it. Whew. Look at them. I think they could almost be turned over. Let's see how they really looking up there. The sides got that look. Let's see. I have to separate you guys, period. You guys can't fall in love, all right? Oh, yeah. Be all right. Well, they are. All right, I'm going to make the rest of them. Won't be so dark, but they'll be all right. They will be all right. I'm going to turn it down a little bit. They smell good. They definitely smell good. Okay, that's brown. That goes over there. That one too. And this one. 3. Okay. Huge pancakes. But okay. Okay, we done. Turn off the fire. I'll put that right on the top. Gonna move my pan up. Okay. Add another dab of butter right there. And we're going to take our bacon out. And I'm going to show you what the plate looked like. Okay, there's the bacon. I'm going to put it around our beautiful plate here. There we go. That is breakfast. There's some bacon and some banana nut pancakes. Banana and pecan nut pancakes. So, here we go. Let's say it one more time. This is my breakfast. It is some bacon made in the Power Elite Power Air Fryer Oven Elite. I'll never get this right. It's too many words. And this is some pancakes, and it's banana pecan pancakes. Okay, everyone, enjoy your weekend. Have a good one. You know, relax if you can, and have a good one. And I'll see you soon. Bye bye.